So tomorrow morning we have another load of cattle leaving. So we got to get some cattle sorted out here. We want to try to pick out at least 30 head that we can put on the trailer to go to the packing plant tomorrow. So I got my list here of the ones that are old enough to go, but that's not always the list that we send. So we hand pick the whole group. So we'll pick out 30 or 25 or 30, I think is what we'll send tomorrow. They might be older. We might have to pick some younger ones out that to fill out the order. So, but like this guy right here, this guy definitely one that needs to go.
Hey,
you better open your gate up there a little bit.
I gave you that younger number. His dad has a little skid loader.
Hip. Hey, 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 hey. 651 is this big black guy here. Hey.
Hey Earl, you got
Hey,
it.
hey. 672, let's put him in. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Yeah, let's put him in.
The guy right beside him, what's he, Earl? That's 704.
704 probably might be able to go too. He's right on the edge. Let's put him in. Yeah, let's put him in.
How many do you want? How about that guy, man?
One horn.
Is it just a small one?
Yeah. Like 25 or 30 is what we're trying to shoot for.
So you got no tag?
Is that what he is?
Yeah.
Hey, hip, 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 hip. That white guy there, 669.
What's that guy there?
669, right there, that guy.
Hey, what's that guy?
Hey, hey, hey. Psst, psst, psst. So 684 here and 653 right there.
Is there any no tags on there?
Well, they might be no tag, but I have them as a number probably.
Okay, because there is a no tag. It's decent size. You want 715, Nick? I think he's big enough. Where's he at? Right in front of you.
There's that 705 might be able to go along the fence there. You see that 705 there, Dad? What's all those little bumps all over him?
I know. I've been wondering that. Show him that no tag.
Hey, buddy. Let's get rid of this guy. He's the beast. I wish he was a little bit bigger. He'd fit the name a little better. Hey, this guy's 666. We want to get him out of here. Hey, I don't like that number.
Yeah.
You see this guy here, 666?
Right there, 682?
Yeah, it's 682 also. Hey, 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 hey. That's, which one's that? 6?
You're 6'9" too.
Yeah, let's take him too. He's definitely a little smaller, but... Oh, maybe not. Hey. 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 And then 682 behind him there. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Where'd that 97 go?
Right here.
This 735 is fairly decent too.
Yeah.
Should we put him in? Or you don't think?
Yeah, he's got a lot of bone structure, but what about even that 16 the water?
Right. What do you think about that 16? He's pretty deep.
If I was buying him, I'd rather buy pretty good brisket.
Yeah, and he's pretty rounded across the back.
Who?
This 716 here.
Yeah, turn him around one.
Hey.
Standing up there like I'm gonna take it away. He's graded pretty well.
Let's put him in.
Yeah, I like that. Here, I could see him in a burger. I can see that at a McDonald's burger. That effort. 27?
27?
Yeah, I get 27 over here. You want?
We got 731, 733. What's that guy over there? Headbutting that guy. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Okay.
Just in time. It's like the sun is shining and it's raining.
I'm gonna go get that vaccine.
All right, we got them all sorted out. So we'll be ready to go for tomorrow morning. See you then. All right, it's the next morning. Truck should be here soon. So we're gonna get these cattle moved out of here and get all set up to put them on the truck. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hey guys, hip, come on. Hip, hip. Yeah, just hold them there a second and I'll bring these other guys across. Hey guys. Hey guys, hip. Hip, hip, come on. Hip. Hey you, hey. Hip. You guys too. Just maybe stay over there. Just hop down a little bit. I'm gonna, there you go. Hip, hip. Hey guys, hip, 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 hip. Try to keep them going out the corner there. Hip, hip, hip. Out you go. Out you go. Hip, 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 hip. All right, another group of 5. Hey, hip, hip. Oh shoot. Well, it's fine, I guess. Just get that. Hip, kick. Oh, almost got kicked. Hip, 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 hip. Come on, buddy. Hey, 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 come on. Hey, come on here. Hey, 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 hey. There you go. That's hip, hip, hey. Hip, 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 hey. Hip, hip, hip. One more. Can you grab numbers quick? Let's grab numbers quick. Hip, hip, hip. Hey guys, come on, hip. Hey guys, come on, hip. Hey, hip, 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 hip. Hey, hip. Hey, come on. All right, close that gate. Hip. Oh, got our helper out. Hey, hip, 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 hip. Okay, Cahda, that's enough. Cahda, that's good.
Hey guys, come on.
Hip. Jaren, keep smacking him and go out the door. There we go. Hey, hip, hip, yep, hip, 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 hip. All right, we got them all loaded. That went really good. Man, the key is keeping them calm when we're getting them on the truck, and that went really good this morning. So I think we should be good there. They got a little ride and then they're back off the truck. So we'll put these red guys back and we're gonna head to the hog barn. All right, come back. I just got a call from Earl and he said, looks like Cahda's having her puppies.
Yep.
Number 3. Good dog. It's a good dog.
What's her name? She's like, oh, is that thing coming to touch my baby? Thank you. So she favors that one right there. think maybe she's having another.
Yeah, she might be pushing right now. Probably why she's laying like that.
Good girl, Cahda.
Actually, we could just try.
Yeah, it's
face
like
image
it's
now.
got like a little white spot and it's
How
brown.
would it be there?
What time is it now? Like 6 hours. It's 5:40. So be like 12 though.
You should get
I
Kayla.
can't see it. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
They wipe the sack. To get it out of the sack and then
It's okay. That's what like all animals do, don't they? Like,
but I guess it's
at
convenient.
first,
Like
yeah.
it's like everything all
Even like some people,
Good
don't they?
girl.
Some people like people just bite me and don't. Or people don't do that.
I think we have enough like vitamins and stuff. Naturally occurring stuff that we
Right,
can
that we don't
cover
need to-
for, yeah.
Good girl. Good girl, Cahda. Good girl. It is. That one's gonna be my favorite. She doesn't quite cut it yet.
Like chewing.
Yeah, me, Jaren, and Sarah said she's gonna have 5. That was our guess. I said 6. Tegan said 8. Well, I said 8 and then I went down to 6.
Then Kayla's like, you say 4 to 6, and Jared's like, no, you can't give her right.
Yeah, right.
You gotta try to give
Right on the
I'm gonna
nose.
say 1 to 100.
I wouldn't be surprised. She has 1 or 2 or 3 more.
That's a pretty girl.